Hi, I'm Dr. Russell Ficara. So today's topic is about
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into how you can take care of your kidneys naturally. We'll be discussing the top 7 foods that help detox and cleanse your kidneys and can even reverse some kidney damage. Plus, we'll highlight some common habits that can harm your kidneys. And stay tuned for a delicious juice recipe that will keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. Our kidneys are essential organs, filtering out waste and toxins from our blood, balancing fluids, and controlling blood pressure. However, certain habits can put a lot of strain on our kidneys and lead to damage. Let's quickly look at some of these harmful habits. Number 1, excess salt intake. Too much salt in your diet can raise blood pressure, which overworks the kidneys. It is recommended for adults to have no more than 2,300 milligrams of salt per day, which is 1 teaspoon of salt. And don't forget to include the hidden salt in packaged foods like soups, chips, salad dressings, etc. Also, switch to a light salt version that contains potassium and less sodium. Number 2, alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol in excess can lead to dehydration and harm kidney function and lead to a fatty liver. Number 3, processed foods. These are often high in sodium, harmful chemicals, and preservatives, which can overload and stress your kidneys. Number 4, dehydration. Not drinking enough water makes it harder for your kidneys to flush out toxins. Try the pinch test to check for dehydration. Simply pinch the skin on the back of your hand. If the skin fold is slow to rebound back to normal shape, you may be dehydrated. If you are a senior adult, this test won't work for you since the skin has lost some of its elasticity. Number 5, lack of sleep. Poor sleep affects kidney function by disrupting the balance of your body's hormones and blood pressure. Your body also repairs itself while you sleep. Number 6, over-the-counter painkillers. Frequent use of painkillers like ibuprofen can cause kidney damage over time. But don't worry. By making some dietary changes, you can support your kidneys' health and even reverse some early damage. Now, let's talk about the top 7 foods that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys. First up, cranberries. These little berries are packed with the bioactive compound proanthocyanidins, which gives foods their red, blue, and purple color. They act as an antioxidant, which can reduce harmful oxidative stress, inflammation, and gut dysbiosis, which in turn improves kidney and cardiovascular health. Cranberries help flush out harmful bacteria and toxins from your kidneys, keeping them clean and healthy. Drinking a glass of unsweetened cranberry juice daily can work wonders for your kidney health. Next up, red bell peppers. These are low in potassium, which is good for those with kidney issues, but high in vitamins A, B6, C, folic acid, and fiber. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from damage. Add them to your salads, soups, or as a healthy snack. Third on our list is garlic. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties and helps reduce cholesterol levels and blood pressure, which is crucial for kidney health. It also acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of toxins and excess sodium from your body. Incorporate fresh garlic into your daily meals for maximum benefits. Number 4, apples. They are rich in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce the risk of kidney stones and support overall kidney function. Also, eating an apple before a meal with a glass of water is a great way to manage your weight by reducing your food cravings, which in turn helps you to eat less. Next up is turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful spice with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and prevent further damage. Adding turmeric to your diet by sprinkling it on your dishes, drinking turmeric tea, or taking a supplement of curcumin, the bioactive form of turmeric, can be very beneficial for kidney health. Sixth on our list is watermelon. This hydrating fruit is about 90% water, making it an excellent natural diuretic. It helps flush out toxins and cleanse the kidneys. Eating watermelon can help maintain the right balance of electrolytes in your body, which is essential for kidney health. Last but not least, lemon juice. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by breaking down calcium oxalate. Drinking a glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon juice every morning can detoxify your kidneys and keep them functioning at their best. And here's a bonus: a simple, delicious juice recipe to help cleanse your kidneys naturally. You'll need 1 cucumber, hydrating and detoxifying, half a lemon, rich in citric acid, a handful of parsley, natural diuretic, 1 apple, anti-inflammatory, a small piece of ginger, anti-inflammatory and detoxifying. Blend all these ingredients together with a glass of water until smooth. This juice is packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help flush out toxins and support kidney function. Enjoy this juice a few times a week to keep your kidneys healthy and happy. Incorporating these 7 kidney-friendly foods and this healthy juice into your diet can go a long way in detoxifying and cleansing your kidneys naturally. Remember, the keys to healthy kidneys are staying hydrated, avoiding too much salt, processed foods, and alcohol, getting enough sleep, and being mindful of taking too many over-the-counter painkillers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And as always, subscribe for more health tips by checking out our other health videos. And remember, the key is to think well, eat well, move well, and be well.